Bitcoin ETF may get SEC sign-off today. Bitcoin Minetrix ICO surges past $7.5. Last updated January 5, 2024, 55 EST. 6 Min read disclosure. Crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. Fetch priority equals high decoding equals async class equals align on size vol WP image 147 1978 SRC equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2024/1/1,704,477,068 F7 644 4D0C7 8D87 8B1F5295 PNG alt equals with equals 868 height equals 804 SRC set equals https://cryptonews com/WP content/upload/2024/1/1,704,477,068 537 F7 644 4D0C7 8D87 8B1F5295 PNG 868 WA https://cryptonews com/WP content/upload/2024/1/1,704,477,068 537 F7 644 4D0C7 8D87 8B1F5295 300x278 PNG 300 WA https://cryptonews com/WP content/upload/2024/1/1,704,477,068 537 F7 644 4D0C7 8D87 8B1F5295 560 8x711 PNG 768 WA https://cryptonews com/WP content/upload/2024/1/1,704,477,068 537 F7 644 4D0C7 8D87 8B1F5295 150x139 PNG 150 sizes equals max width 868 100 WA 868 Friday, January 5, 2023. The Bitcoin price is hovering around the $44,000 mark in readiness for a breakout to $50,000 if and when a Bitcoin ETF is approved, possibly as early as today, while tokenized cloud mining innovator Bitcoin Minetrix BTCMTX has raised more than $7.5 million from contributors. The fundraising for Bitcoin Minetrix is speeding up, with $2.5 million of the total so far raised in the past 4 weeks alone. Traders may be warming to the project as a savvy way to gain exposure to the Bitcoin ETF theme without being exposed to the spiking volatility. Currently priced at 126 cents in stage 17 of its ICO, Bitcoin Minetrix is pioneering tokenized cloud mining. Not only will presale contributors benefit from the prospect of capital appreciation when the price of the token rises, token holders will also be able to enjoy the passive income that comes from mining Bitcoin. With less than 24 hours to go before the presale price of the $BTCMTX token rises to 127 cents, there is no time to lose to lock in the lowest available price. Because of $BTCMTX low cap pricing and upside potential, a modest investment today could pay off big as Bitcoin enters mainstream finance. Given the 20,000% plus return seen on various meme coins in recent months, $BTCMTX, with its unique use case and direct connection to the Bitcoin mining ecosystem, deserves a special place in a diversified portfolio. Bitcoin Minetrix is paving the way for a fresh approach to cloud mining, integrating stakeholding in cloud mining. By prioritizing transparency, independence, and safety, Bitcoin Minetrix pioneers tokenized cloud mining, providing a reliable path for $BTC mining. Pick Twitter com/its9leadv089 Bitcoin Minetrix at Bitcoin Minetrix December 6, 2023 SEC lawyers met with top U.S. exchanges, finishing touches for spot Bitcoin ETF approval. Volatility in the Bitcoin prices heating up as speculation and rumor abound regarding the expected approval of the first Bitcoin ETF in the U.S. draws ever closer. Fox Business reported yesterday that SEC lawyers held meetings with the U.S. exchanges on which the ETFs will be trading, the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, and the Chicago Board Options Exchange. This was taken as yet another positive sign that the SEC will approve the spot Bitcoin ETF. It follows a client note 2 days ago from Singapore-based Matrixport that said it expected the SEC to reject the applications before it, with approval more likely to come in the second quarter. The report sent the Bitcoin price into a tailspin, but it has since made up more than half of the losses that saw it trading as low as $40,813 after a 10% drop. Bitcoin Minetrix provides a clever way to play this volatile early-stage bull market. This week's dramatic moves in the Bitcoin price speak to the relative immaturity of the market, but also the binary nature of the narrative, at least in part, underpinning the Bitcoin bull story going into 2024. But for investors looking to get exposure to the Bitcoin price upside that will flow from the spot ETF approval and the four-yearly halving of Bitcoin block rewards sometime in April, Bitcoin Minetrix provides a less risky way to play this market. If Bloomberg intelligence analysts are right, there is still a 90% chance of approval coming in January, but even if it is Q4 2024, an investment in Bitcoin Minetrix today provides a way to enter the market that avoids exposure to the extreme volatility seen in recent days. On Wednesday, when Bitcoin lost 10% of its value in minutes, it led to hundreds of millions of dollars in forced liquidations of long positions held by traders, often on leverage. Jacob Joseph, research analyst at CC Data, formerly Crypto Compare, told Bloomberg, while it still seems likely that a spot Bitcoin ETF will be approved in the coming days, any delay contrary to the market consensus is likely to result in a larger drawdown for digital assets. Across the derivatives exchanges, as much as $500 million was erased from trader accounts. Meanwhile, data compiled by CoinGlass for 3 January showed $120 million in liquidation of long positions. Bitcoin Minetrix makes cloud mining profitable and secure. Bitcoin Minetrix's advantages over buying mining rigs and trying to set up a business by yourself are obvious in terms of the far lower upfront capital outlay involved in cloud mining. There's also no need to worry about getting to grips with the complicated intricacies of the Bitcoin protocol. Running on Ethereum, Bitcoin Minetrix rewards stakers of its native $BTCMTX token with cloud mining credits. By doing so, it opens up a passive income stream offering a percentage of the mining revenue based on the share of cloud mining credits. The cloud mining credits are exchangeable for cloud mining power. The pay-as-you-go approach of the cloud mining model is attractive, but it has its downsides. That is until Bitcoin Minetrix appeared on the scene to offer a different approach. Cloud mining, unfortunately, has developed a bad reputation for fraud. A quick Google, and it won't take long before coming across a story about victims handing over hard cash for a cloud mining contract, only for no mining rewards ever to be earned and distributed by the service purveyor. Bitcoin Minetrix is fraud resistant because everything is on-chain. The system stake-to-mine smart contract handles all the cloud credits and allocation to mining and the time period over which mining is to take place, all set by the user via their own bespoke dashboard. Bitcoin Minetrix strengthens the Bitcoin network in a win for crypto and your investment returns. Transparency and efficiency combine to deliver an easy-to-use product that threatens to unleash revolutionary change in the cloud mining space. A byproduct of this near-frictionless route into mining Bitcoin is the way in which it can help to grow the hash power computing resource of the network, making it even more secure and decentralized. At the beginning of Bitcoin's journey to transform money, it was possible to mine the digital currency on a laptop, but those days are long gone. However, with Bitcoin Minetrix, the door has been reopened for the little guy. How Bitcoin Minetrix tokens will be allocated to fund the project. As you would expect, the largest allocation of the funds will go directly into the mining operations, 42.5% of the $BTCMTX tokens. Marketing efforts to ensure that the project gains traction will take up 35% of the token allocation, while 12.5% is for $BTCMTX staking rewards, which will be distributed in the period prior to the Bitcoin Minetrix cloud mining platform going live. 10% is allocated to community rewards for active participation in the project. Activity percent allocation token Bitcoin mining 42. 50% $1,700,000,000 marketing 35% $1,400,000,000 staking 12. 50% $500,000,000 community 10% $400,000. Zero its ability to yield substantial gains from modest capital inflows positions. It is a promising investment. Presale buyers can start earning a yield today of 85% APY. At the time of writing, $480 million BTCMTX tokens have been staked. The Bitcoin Minetrix team recently appointed ambassadors to start putting in place partnerships with cloud vendors, other businesses, and stakeholders to effect a flawless launch. Mohamed Sidiboha, Lutfi Konfar, and Ghazi Sidiboha will be leading from the front for the project. Mohamed is a highly experienced marketing strategist, while Lutfi brings a wealth of knowledge in finance and sustainability. Ghazi is focused on cementing the key financial and business partnerships essential to the project's innovative approach to Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin Minetrix could 100x, say crypto analysts. Prospective buyers of $BTCMTX must do their own research, but for an indication of the FOMO building up around the Coin Crypto YouTube channel, No BS Crypto, with 47,000 subscribers, is eyeing Bitcoin Minetrix for 50x or even 100x gains when it lists. Could Bitcoin Minetrix be a 100x meme coin? Elsewhere, Michael Rubel, another crypto expert, has explained to his 310,000 YouTube subscribers why he is bullish on Bitcoin Minetrix. There have also been shoutouts from crypto influencers such as Jacob CryptoBerry and Crypto Lab. Keep up to date with all the Bitcoin Minetrix presale news and product developments on the Telegram channel, Discord server, and X Twitter. Tokenized Bitcoin cloud mining is a business model that is highly likely to gain traction and as such provides a low-risk entry route into the Bitcoin market. Also, a low-capitalization coin like $BTCMTX has much greater upside than Bitcoin, so a small outlay could go a long way in terms of return on investment. Buy Bitcoin Minetrix here, enter your email for our free daily newsletter or a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. This site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy in terms of service supply. IMG SRC equals https://simg co/p/ml300 JPEG alt equals image class equals img ID equals newsletter pop-up img.